Welcome, everyone. This multi-part video will introduce you to the new and redesigned ShopDOE website. Our contracting specialists work hard to ensure that the Department of Education provides the best quality and price from our vendors. But you can't take advantage of this effort if you can't locate these contracted items on this site. For this reason, the new site has been designed with the same features that major retailers provide their customers. In fact, you are probably already familiar with online purchasing when using websites like Amazon.com or Walmart.com. ShopDOE will now be a very similar experience. Let's begin. You can log in one of two ways. If you intend to place an order request and send it to Famous for processing, you must log in with your DOE-assigned email address and password. Alternately, anyone can log in by clicking on I am not a DOE employee, using any valid email address, but this will limit your capabilities with the site. Let's sign in with our DOE-assigned email address and password. After doing so, click on Sign In, and the page where you can begin your search or purchase will appear. Voila, we're here. Feel free to explore the catalog by just clicking through the departments, categories, and refinements. For example, let's browse for some classroom furniture. We can select this department from the top menu. This will retrieve a large selection of products that can be arranged in either a list or grid view by using these icons on the right. And we can sort the results based on bestsellers and price. On the left side, we can begin to refine our selection based on the characteristics of the products. For example, the type of furniture. To start, let's pick tables. Now let's go for round tables. We can also refine our selection by color and pick yellow tables. And if the selection is available, we may refine by grade. As you use ShopDOE, it keeps track of the categories and refinements you have selected. Here and here. Okay, we found what we want. When you click on the product, you're taken to the product detail page, where you can gather more information and place the product in your shopping cart. Click on the Add to Cart button. Note there may be a minimum purchase requirement. If you have not met a specific vendor's minimum order amount, the pricing bar will change color from green to red. A help box specifying the order minimum will pop up and advise you of the amount required. In our case, ordering 30 tables satisfies that requirement. Now we'll update the cart. We're not ready to check out yet as we have more items to shop for. ShopDOE is also a powerful search engine, so for our next product, let's search for books by Rudyard Kipling. Even if your spelling is not perfect, the engine will try its best to correct your search. It will also make suggestions based on the first few letters typed. Note how the refinements on the left now offer the available subjects related to your search, helping distinguish between fiction and poetry, for example. Let's click on poetry and select the premier book of major poets. Again, we can see more detail about the actual book displayed, including the overview and, in this case, a list of other poets and additional details related to this book. Let's add 30 copies of these to our shopping cart by clicking on the Add to Cart button. In this case, we have two choices. We need to get 30, and in this category here, there are only two, so we'll pick from this category. Update cart. As a final example, we frequently need to order or reorder something by a product or manufacturer item number. If we know exactly what we want, we can just type any identifier into the search box and ShopDOE will take you right to that product. And again, you'll add this product to your cart. To summarize, you can use ShopDOE to browse the catalog, search and refine, or find exactly the one item you need by a product number. And as you selected products, you can add them to your shopping cart. In the next video, we'll show you how to save and share your shopping cart. Thank you very much for watching.